Which country has the kiwi bird as its national animal? Australia, South Africa, New Zealand. The answer is New Zealand. You're on fire! Quiz success suits you. Explore New Zealand's national treasure, the kiwi bird. Known for its long beak and exceptional sense of smell, this flightless wonder lays one of the largest eggs in proportion to its size. As the smallest living retete with nostrils at the beak's end, kiwis boast a nocturnal lifestyle and a keen sense of touch for locating underground insects. Symbolizing biodiversity and Maori culture, the kiwi captivates with its endearing personality and intriguing traits, making it New Zealand's beloved national animal. Eager for more? Find the full video in the description, hit that subscribe button, and join us on the ride!